got some orange, just one orange, and then eggs and ketchup because I love it, so why not? And just my coffee and stuff. I'm getting my eyebrows done today, so I've decided to take you along with me throughout my day. And I'm also bulking, so maybe this is like a mix between an eating video and an eyebrow video. I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna eat my food before it gets cold. See you in a bit. Alright, so it's currently 10:30. It's been a few hours since I've woken up and had breakfast, and I'm about to head to the gym. So, hi Carly. I'm gonna have this oat mega bar. It's grass-fed whey protein bar. It's gluten-free, non-GMO, 7 grams of fiber, only 5 grams of sugar, and 14 grams of protein. So I tried this once before, and it is pretty good. It's better than the Cliff whey protein bars. Those are kind of nasty, to be honest. So yeah, then I'm going to just finish up this glass of water. I'm trying to really work on drinking more water. So yeah, it's leg day. I'm not going to film in the gym because just want to stay focused for today, and trying to be sneaky about filming just gives me anxiety and I can't focus. So we'll just leave you here. Sorry, but it's my eyebrow day. Once again, you know, I gotta be real. I'm not in the mood to get them done, but I can't pass it up. But also, like, I'm having a day of not really wanting anyone in my personal bubble, and like being touched by strangers, the like least appealing like thing to me right now. But you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. Anyways, I'm gonna go work out. It's sunny outside, so I can actually ride my boosted board to the gym, so at least there's that. Alright, back from the gym, and I'm gonna make some food for lunch. I've just got some sweet potato. I'm gonna do some bok choy and ginger, and then I have a grass-fed ribeye steak here from Butcher Box. And pretty simple, that's it. I'm hungry, and I gotta kind of hurry because I gotta leave pretty soon to get my eyebrows done. So let's do this. Alright, it's time to get my eyebrows done. I'm a little nervous. I'm not really sure what to expect or how much this actually hurts, but we'll find out. And also, people have been telling me that like my eyebrows are fine, I don't need to do this, but they're not fine. And I've been trying to like just basically like comb them down so they look like a little thicker. So if you think that they're thicker, it's because I've been trying to comb them down. But they're still pretty thin, so that's why I'm doing this. And hopefully it helps. Let's go. Hey.
How's it going?
Pretty good, how about you?
Hurting for me, I feel like.
Spot on this?
Yeah. I don't know, need to microblade her eyebrows with green. So I think I'm more hesitant than you are about putting green, because that would be permanent. I don't even think it would be some of... You ready?
I think so.
It's like nothing.
Alright, it's not bad.
Yeah. Sometimes it makes a little crackly noise. Like, it's because they're basically a bunch of needles in a row. And that feeling, like that tick, 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 is like the little needles, like sort of flicking up when it touches the skin.
Yeah.
But we only go like 2 layers of skin deep, like not even. Between 1 and 3. So it's not actually as deep as the tattoo at all.
Alright, so this camera isn't the best in in low light, but so these are my eyebrows. I'll show you in like a better light, but right now they're really dark. They're supposed to like fade in about 72 hours, so it kind of looks a little like makeup-ish at this point. So yeah, they're gonna fade, but this is my current eyebrow status. I like have barely seen them, so I'm still trying to figure out how I feel about them. Let me, I have about a 45-minute drive home, so I'll collect those thoughts and think about it and come back to you in a bit. Alright. So I'm home now. A little better lighting. What, Carly? What? Carly missed me. Hi. She's sneezing a lot less, by the way. If anyone, she was sick. I had to take her to the vet. Huh. She's got nice eyebrows. She did not have them microbladed. Anyways, so here's my eyebrows. I'm trying to get used to them. They're gonna fade. So like in 72 hours or so, they're gonna fade, especially as you, like I still have like ink. You know how you get a tattoo and then it fades as it heals? It's kind of the same thing. And also I have like ink that is in my eyebrows from just like wiping the ink away. So it should fade a little bit even more just being able to like shower and like wash my eyebrows and stuff. But I don't want to like touch them too much right now because it's basically like a tattoo. You don't want to get it infected and stuff. So this is semi-permanent. Should last a good depending on the person. I'm gonna assume for me, I think it probably would be around 18 months or so. But yeah, depends how much you go swimming and how much you're in the sun and all that stuff. I have another appointment for like a touch-up in a month, so anything that is like uneven or ends up being a little bit patchy, she'll fill in. And yeah, so this is it for now. You gotta get used to my eyebrows. I don't know. I'm nervous. Like, sometimes I'm okay with them. Sometimes I'm like, wow, those are dark. Anyways, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thanks so much for tagging along with me today. Hopefully it was interesting for you as it was for me. And leave any questions, comments below. And help me not to freak out. Thanks. Peace out, guys. I'll see you next time.